Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Natalie Goldstein, CEO of MyExpatTaxes, the leading tax software for US expat tax returns. Whether you're an American living abroad, you are an expat living in the US, you are someone that acquired or renounced US citizenship or got a green card, etc., we are here to help you with your US tax return. So what makes MyExpatTaxes? Well, I think the main thing is that I created a tax software that I would use myself as a US expat. And that for me is really the critical part is what is a good software and what features should it have? And so the first one, of course, is free account creation. You want to test out the product before you pay for it. So obviously you can create an account with MyExpatTaxes for free and you can see if it fits your needs. Once you create an account, you can enter all your income in the local currency. So you don't have to convert it to USD, you can enter in the local currency, and really the platform grows with you. So if you have a relatively straightforward case, you're a salaried person, you don't really have too much to claim, that's fine. You just choose salary, you enter it, you're done. With that being said, it is a platform that is designed for people with very straightforward tax cases, but also with the capability to help those with a lot more complex cases. And so it really depends on how you're answering the questionnaire, right? If you only have salaried income, then you're not going to see that many questions and it'll be a very straightforward process. If you're someone that has foreign corporations, foreign investments, foreign pensions, you gave up or acquired US citizenship or you had a green card or etc., right? Obviously, you're going to see a lot more questions with it, but I think that also gives you the confidence that we're really here to give you the most accurate and compliant return possible. Throughout this process, something that's also really important is how do you get help? If you need help throughout the process, you can always use our live chat, you can send emails. We always do our best to reply to everyone in a really timely manner. And of course, we have different plans. You can choose to say, I want to do this all by myself in our base plan. You can say, I want to do pretty much everything myself, but I want to have a tax professional look over one or two documents or answer one or two questions for me. That's our reviewed plan. Or you say, I really want to have a tax professional assigned to my case and really help me throughout this entire process, in which you could actually go ahead and just skip the steps, check out, and then have a tax professional assigned that would look over all the documents you upload and help you with that tax filing process. So again, we built MyExpatTaxes to really try to help everyone. I know you can't help everyone, but our goal is to help almost everyone. And even as people come in every day with a different edge case, we always try to see, well, how can we help them and how can we make this process for that person, everyone that's like that person, easier. If you choose to go ahead and obviously go through this by yourself, what is also really cool before you actually check out and pay is you do get an overview of any taxes owed or a potential refund. So I think that's a very cool feature, especially during deadline season when you're just like, okay, well, do I need to file by April 15th? Maybe I can wait a little bit longer. So you do get that regardless of if you've paid or not or what plan you're in. And then at the same time, if you choose to work with a tax professional, there is a secure document upload system where you can upload documents for a tax professional to look at, and you can work with that tax professional step by step with the same profile. So it's not that you've put your answers into an organizer and you don't really know where they land up. If we have questions about your W-2 or your salary, we'll just link back to your W-2 or salary section in your profile and you can see exactly what we're seeing.